Okay, so this is the G60VX or JX model. I'm going to be switching out the LCD screen. Right here, you have the four screws on the corners, and you have two screws that are actually hidden by a little plastic material. I'm using a knife and a screwdriver to do this. Not really recommended. To get underneath the screws though, that's what I'm using. Pull off this, put this off to the side. And the two screws right here. So there's 6 screws total on the outside that you gotta take off. After that, go ahead and start popping off all the sides. Voila, that's off. For this though, you gotta make sure you take off the camera first so it doesn't pull on the wires. And don't want to have those break also. And you also have your 10 screws on the outside here that you need to take off. I think it's 10. I don't know. Little metal piece is going to come off. Put that off to the side. Go ahead and put that down low. James, go on, stand over here. Alright. Back here's the tape. You're going to need to take this off to get off the video wires. So go ahead and take off those next. Carefully. This is the webcam and speaker wires. You gotta be careful to take off too. Pull it downwards. I guess that's how you get it out. It's the easiest way. Then on the side of the computer, leave me 8 screws on the side to get the LCD screen off. So go ahead and unscrew those. Make sure you're very careful with that video wire. It's very sensitive. And keep the screws separate. They're all different sizes, unfortunately. Once I take off the screen, make sure this is basically all the way down. Hopefully I didn't lose either. Screw. Crap. Nope, found it. Alright. So, here's the new case. Make sure it's the right way and everything, so you're not screwing it up. Protective film. Make sure you keep that on before you put the screen on, because we're going to do this a little differently when we put it back on. We're going to lay this on top of the keyboard, so like this. And basically just hook the card back in and then put it all back together, and now you take it apart. Sweet deal.